Welcome back to my YouTube channel Inclined Mathematics. In this video I am going to discuss some percentage problems which were appeared in the previous RRB examinations. In the previous video I have already uploaded the video. I have discussed some number system problems which are appeared in the previous RRB examinations. Directly move on to the questions. This question appeared in RRB 2009 examination. The question is 45% of 300 plus square root of question mark is equals to 56% of 750 minus 10% of 250. We have to find the question mark. For this kind of questions, just write down the expression as below. 45%, that means you can write 45% as like this, of 300 plus we don't know the question mark, we have to find that one, and 56% means 56 by 100 of 750 minus 10% means 10 by 100 into 250, right? Here for 2 zeros are cancelled, and here 1 0 is cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 15s are 75, 2 28s are 56, 1 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Just write down 45 multiples of 3 times, that means 135, plus just consider this question mark as x. Okay, next 28 into 15, we get 420 minus here we just left with 25, 135 plus root x is equals to 420 minus 25, that means 395. Just take this 135 here, root x is equals to 395 minus 135. Root x is equals to 395 minus 135, we get 260. Squaring on both sides, x is equals to 260 whole square. 260 whole square means 67,600. So the value of x is 67,600. So question mark value is option B. Have a look at this problem. This problem appeared in RRB examination 2008 year. He has given 4 options and read out the question once. If 40% of x is equals to 40, then what will be the value of x? That means we have to find the value of x. Just in the first problem we have just write the equation. After reading the question, just simply write down the equation here also. 40% of x, just write this 40%, that means 40 by 100, right? Of, that means x into, and one more 40,000, so 40 by 100 of ante into x is equals to 40. Okay, just cancel the numbers. 40 is cancelled and 0 is cancelled. We get 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s, 2 50s are 100. Okay, whatever we get, just write down. Here only we get x, and x upon 5 into 50, that means 250 is equals to 1. Just bring down that 250 here, x is equals to 250. So the value of x is 250, B is the right answer, and these are the not the correct options. Here is the third question. This problem appeared in RRB 2009 examination. The problem is given as, if 2m% of 2m is 1, then find the value of m. We have to find the value of m. The condition is given as 2m% of 2m is 1. That means 2m%, that means 1 by 100 of 2m is equals to 1. This is the condition he has given. We have to find the value of m. From this one, 250 or 100 and 225, right? Here m into m is m square by 25 is equals to 1. Just take this 25 here, m square is equals to 25, m is equals to 5. Okay, this value of m is 5. Look at the fourth problem. This problem appeared in RRB 2007 examination. If the radius of a sphere is doubled, then find the percentage increase in the surface area. He has given 4 options. We already know the radius of a sphere. We can write this radius of a sphere as like this, r. R is the radius of a sphere. He given the condition the radius of a sphere is doubled. So if it is doubled, it becomes like this. You just draw another sphere here. If this is r, this is double, so this one is 2r. We already know the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. If the radius is doubled, we can replace this r with 2r, right? This is the surface area of the inner circle, and outer circle surface area we can write as 4 pi 2r square. In place of r, we are writing 2r. 4 pi 2 square means 4, r square means r square. 4 into 4, 16 pi r square. This is the surface area of the outer sphere. But we need to find the percentage increase in the surface area. Whenever the radius is doubled, the surface area is also increased, right? So how much percentage is there increase in the surface area? We need to find the surface area of the outer circle minus surface area of the inner circle, that is 4 pi r square with respect to inner circle, that means 4 pi r square, but we need in the percentage, so 100%. 16 pi r square minus 4 pi r square is 12 pi r square by 4 pi r square into 100%. Pi r square gets cancelled. 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 100 is 300%. So there is an increase in 300% of surface area in the sphere. This is the fifth problem. This problem appeared in RRB 2007 examination. The question is, if a number is 20% more than 50, find the number. We don't know the number that is 20% more than 50. Okay, 50 is 100%, a number which is 100%. 50 is a number that is 100%. But this is a number which is 20% more than 50. That means this number is 120% to 50, right? So 120% of 50. The number is 120% of 50 because it is 20% more than 50. Just solve this. 120 by 100 into 50. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 12 5s are 60. So the number is 60 and the option is D. Here is the sixth problem. This problem is a number reduced by 25% becomes 225. What percentage should it be increased so that it becomes 390? This problem appeared in 2010 RRB examination. The percentages are given here under. We have to find what percentage it is. Okay, for this kind of problems, the solution is inside the question itself. Okay, just read the question. A number reduced by 25% becomes 225. If a number, we don't know that number, but if a number is reduced by 25%, so that should be, the number should be 100%. If we reduce 75%, it becomes 225. That means if we reduce a number 25%, that it be 75%, right? 75% becomes 225. A number of which is a 75% is 225. We have to find at what percentage the number should be increased so that it becomes 390. So 390 what percentage? At what percentage this number should be 390? So just apply the formula 75 by 225, 390, but we need in percentage, so 390%. 75 multiples of 3 into 130, 130%, but we took already the number as percentage about 100%, so just minus that 100% here, we get 30%. The number is should be reduced at 30% to become 390. This is the next question, 7th one. This problem appeared in RRB 2010 year examination. The question is 76% of the students in a school are boys. If the number of girls is 204, then what is the total number of students? Is given 4 options. Okay, in a school 76% of the students are boys only. That means in a school 100% students are there. In that 100%, 76% are boys. That means what is the percentage of girls? 24%, right? 24% of girls, that is 204. Then what is the total number of students? If 24% of girls is 204, we can find next 76% of the students of the girls we can find, right? Then we can get total number of students. That means 100% of the students is equals to how much? Okay, here 25% of girls are 204, 100% of girls we can find in the previous problem, like 204 is divided by 24 into 100%. Okay, yeah, that means 2 12s are 24, 250, 24 into, I think, 12 into 17, 204, right? 17 into 50, 850. So the 100% of the students are 850. So C is the answer. Look at this 8th problem. By mistake, a capital was divided by 5 instead of multiplying by 5. What is the percentage of error in the calculation? This problem asked in 2003 RRB examination. He has given 4 percentage options. We need to find out the error percentage. Okay, yeah. By mistake, a capital was divided. We don't know the capital, so consider that capital as X. A capital was divided by 5, so X is divided by 5. instead of multiplying by 5. That means multiplying the capital with 5. This is the mistake. There must be a error. So to find the percentage of the error, we need to first find the error. Error is given as, what is the exactly to be done? Multiplication. But what has done? Divided. LCM 25x minus x by 5, that is 24x by 5. This is the error, but we need to find the error percentage. Okay, to find the error percentage, what is the error? 24x by 5. In which area the error has done multiplication by 5? So write down the 5x into percentage means 100%. Okay, so 24x by 5 into 5, 25x into 100. X cancel, right? 25 into 4, 24 into 4, 96%. So the answer is 96%.